In this video, I show you how to fix Android system is not responding or Android system keeps dropping problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now tap on three dot. Now tap on show system apps. Now search for Android system. Tap on Android system. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Now tap on three dot again. Tap on reset app preference. Tap on reset apps. Now search for Google Play Service app. Tap on Google Play Service. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Now go to home screen. Then go to Google Chrome. Now search for Google Play Service. Tap on first link. Up to date with Google Play Service. Now I hope that this method fix Android system is not responding problem. Thanks.